Which Serpentine belt is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Bando USA Serpentine Belt. Let's kick things off with the Bando USA 6PK2135 OEM quality Serpentine belt. Priced at just $19.93, it caught my attention with its proprietary Run Quiet technology. If you want a quieter, smoother operation for your vehicle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This belt is made from high-strength synthetic rubber, which means it's designed to wear and last longer. It has strong tensile cords that can handle high horsepower loads without stretching, giving you peace of mind on the road. Plus, with over 700 units sold last month, it's clearly popular among buyers. Now, some people complained about the fit for certain models not being perfect. Here's the thing though, if you own a compatible vehicle like various Honda and Chrysler models from 2003 to 2013, this belt is fantastic for its price. Just double check your model before purchasing. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a cost-effective solution that keeps your engine running smoothly. Skip this one if your vehicle requires a specific aftermarket belt that's more specialized. When it comes to value, you get a lot of durability for a very reasonable price. Now, if the fit issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, AC Delco Gold Heavy Duty Belt. The AC Delco Gold K060930HD Heavy Duty V-ribbed Serpentine belt, priced at $40.88. What stood out to me is its heavy-duty construction, perfect for those who need reliability. If you're looking for a belt that drives multiple engine functions with confidence, this is worth a serious look. This belt is made from ethylene propylene diene monomer, which is known for its durability and resistance to wear. This means you're getting a belt that can handle the demands of your engine without breaking down under pressure. It's also manufactured to meet or exceed strict quality requirements, ensuring you won't be stuck on the side of the road. Just last month, over 300 buyers trusted this belt for their vehicles. Now, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit tricky to install. Here's the deal. If you're not comfortable doing your own vehicle maintenance, this could be a hassle. However, if you're handy with tools or willing to pay a professional, it's a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you prioritize heavy-duty performance in your vehicle. Skip this one if you want something that's easier to install without the fuss. For the quality you get, it's a worthwhile buy. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for specific GM models.
Product number 3, AC Delco GM Original Equipment Belt. The AC Delco GM Original Equipment 12669858 V-ribbed Serpentine belt, retailing at $44.78. This one caught my eye because it's designed specifically for GM vehicles. If you want a belt that's tailored for your Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, or Cadillac, this is worth a serious look. This belt not only operates various pulleys, but also does so with a secure grip, which means less slippage and better performance. Made from high-quality EPDM, it ensures durability and long life. The fact that GM engineers design these parts gives you an added layer of confidence, as they've been made to meet strict safety regulations for your vehicle. Last month, it was a popular choice with 300 purchases. Now, a few users did report that it might not fit perfectly in older models. Here's the thing though, if your car is on the newer side and falls within the recommended compatibility list, you'll be very satisfied with this product. It's built to last and perform well. This is perfect for you if you drive a GM vehicle and want the best performance possible. Skip this one if your vehicle is older or not a GM, as it might not meet your needs. For the reliability and fit, it's a solid investment. If you're not sold on that, the next product might just fit the bill for a budget-friendly option.
Product number 4, AC Delco GM Original Equipment Belt 2. The fourth product on my list is the AC Delco GM Original Equipment 12626076 V-ribbed Serpentine belt, priced at $19.73. What intrigued me is its affordability while still being an OEM part. If you're looking for a reliable and budget-friendly Serpentine belt, this is worth a serious look. This belt also uses EPDM material, ensuring a strong grip and durability. It's designed for multiple pulley operations, providing essential power transfer for your engine. This belt is a great option if you're looking for something that won't break the bank. With over 300 units sold recently, it seems to be a favorite among budget-conscious buyers. However, some reviews mention that it wears out faster in high-stress environments. Here's why that's not a deal breaker. If you drive a standard vehicle with moderate usage, you should find it performs well for everyday needs. For heavy-duty use, you might want to consider a more robust option. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable belt at a great price. Skip this one if you frequently tow or drive in extreme conditions, as it might not hold up as well. For its price point, it offers fantastic value. Now, if that one worked for you, the last product might just be the premium option you're looking for.
Product number 5, AC Delco GM Original Equipment Belt 3. We have the AC Delco GM Original Equipment 12626222 V-ribbed serpentine belt, priced at $35.88. What I noticed about this one is its solid construction and compatibility with a wide range of GM vehicles. If you want a reliable belt with a secure grip, this is worth a serious look. Just like the others, this belt is made of EPDM, which stands for durability and performance. It allows for smooth operation of various pulleys and accessories, making it a great choice for keeping your engine running efficiently. Many buyers are trusting it, with over 300 sales last month, showing it's a popular choice. Some users pointed out that it may not fit some older models perfectly. Here's the truth. If you're driving a newer GM vehicle, it's designed to work seamlessly with your car's systems, which is a major plus. It's worth considering if you want performance and reliability. This is perfect for you if you have a newer GM model and want a dependable serpentine belt. Skip this one if you have an older vehicle, as it might not align perfectly. Given its quality, it offers great value for the price. So there you have it, 5 solid options for serpentine belts, each catering to different needs and budgets.
In summary, the Bando USA belt is great for budget-conscious buyers, while the AC Delco Gold Heavy Duty belt offers heavy-duty performance. The AC Delco GM Original Equipment belts provide tailored options for GM vehicles, with one being a budget pick and the other a premium choice. Each of these serpentine belts has its strengths and weaknesses, so choose based on your vehicle's needs and your budget. Happy driving!